My name is Devendra Kumar. मैं इस समय हंसनगर मैनपुरी में रहता हूँ, which is far away from main city, around 200-250 kilometer. Necessity was felt when house was designed for construction that time itself, because when we will growing aged, then our body parts needs some help in the sense our joints will not support as age will increase. So that time it was thought that we should compulsory have a lift at house, and that time we contacted Elite Elevators. They have responded positively, and they visited the site, and it is useful as we can walk every day at top of the floor, and same time response is very good for Elite Elevators. I will recommend it for every senior person who is going to stay away from major cities, so that he cannot go immediately rush to hospital in case of requirement. So it is necessary, a necessity of time. So response of the Elite Elevators is very good, and whenever and working is also very good, and it doesn't need more maintenance. Some maintenance is definitely it requires, but it is responded positively and well planned manner. So we have no problem, and I will recommend every household we can afford it, they should have it.
मेरा नाम समलता है। एक्चुअली अच्छा है, हम जैसे मतलब अब ओवर जैसे एज हो जाती है उनके लिए तो वेरी गुड, और उसका अच्छा है, लगवाना भी चाहिए। ठीक है, उसका हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, घर में लग गया, ऊपर नीचे जाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। पहले तो सीढ़ियों से चढ़ना उतरना थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट रहता था, अभी अच्छा है एलिवेटर। अभी देखते हैं कि कब तक ये ऐसा, उसके बाद फिर देंगे फीडबैक उसके।
So it is now presently it is very good, and it is response of team is also very good. So they will, if any problem, they immediately respond. And I also definitely I will recommend. We are using it, and we are really finding it useful at house. It should be at every household, and same time it is useful in the sense it is joints. When we grow after 60, then definitely it becomes weak. So that time it is very useful. Thank you very much.